Yeah, RJ's Revenge. This is the West, nigga. West. Yo, West. Y'all niggas is lagging. West. Y'all niggas is lagging. West. Y'all niggas is lagging. This is West. Y'all niggas is lagging. This is West. Y'all niggas is lagging. Y'all niggas is lagging. Y'all niggas is lagging. Yo, first off, what's up to my real niggas? Shout out to my motherfucking ill niggas. I'm like this shit about to kill niggas. I'm like dry paint about to fucking peel niggas. Yeah, I'm just crazy, and all y'all niggas can't phase me. I get on this shit and I rap so crazy, and after your lady, or I slap your baby. This is real crazy shit when I spit. Lyrical shit off my dome when I spit. Niggas wanna fuck with me and get your ass hit. Watch as I move so motherfucking quick. Yeah, RJ's Revenge. Yo, but nah, this is Roman Revenge. Hip hop's a drink, so I'm about to binge. I'm like a fucking broken door, I'm off the hinge, nigga. Watch as I come back and forth and back and ripping on the track. It's like that, and nigga, I'm sipping on this cognac. You better sit back, let's blow a sack. Blow the weed in the motherfucking air like you just don't care, nigga. I cut off all my hair, so I'm bald, and I'm rolling, saying fuck y'all, and I'm holding. You don't know what I'm holding, about to get fucking crazy. Niggas wanna look at me, my eyes so hazy. Niggas can't see me and fade me. On this shit, yeah, I'll bust a 3 fucking 80. Yeah.